50 for 50, a gift to the people of Jamaica, an NGO initiative endorsed and supported by the government of Jamaica, an investment in Jamaica's future.
Today we can say mission accomplished.
Clap them, they are doing good things for us.
In June 2012, Jamaica was preparing to celebrate its Golden Jubilee in August, 50 years of independence. As government moved to create legacy projects for the Jamaica 50 celebrations, the charity organization Food for the Poor joined the mission and launched its Jamaica 50 Legacy Project.
We are very passionate about assisting Jamaica create a legacy of easier access to education. That's our gift to Jamaica and Jamaicans for the island's Golden Jubilee.
The mission was to construct or upgrade 50 early childhood institutions over the course of 50 months.
The basic schools will be built in communities where the Early Childhood Commission, in consultation with Food for the Poor, has identified the most dire needs for pre-primary facilities.
It is very important that we recognize that these 50 institutions will be characterized as infant schools and therefore receive the full support of the government of Jamaica.
As a country, we need to get it right at the early childhood stage if we are to stem the tide of student underperformance in our high schools and the eventual unemployment in our adults.
Education has to become the #1 priority in the nation, and early childhood education is the foundation. The government cannot do it alone in education. We need all the partnerships that we can get, and we welcome them.
The project started in June 2012 with a groundbreaking ceremony for construction of the High House Basic School in St. Catherine. Others would follow in St. Thomas, Manchester, Portland, St. Anne, St. James, Westmoreland, and Kingston.
September 20th, 2012, we officially opened the St. Margaret's Real Success Basic School in Kingston. Since then, we have continued the journey across the length and breadth of Jamaica, building new and upgrading old schools that have been deemed as unfit spaces for children to learn.
Operating a school in a community center has many challenges that make the teaching learning experience a frustrating and depressing one.
Here is a building designed and constructed just for you with your own specific requirements in mind.
Today, the community of Steerfield has a school it can be proud of.
The Akompong Basic School marks the 9th early childhood institution to be constructed within the ambit of the program.
Today is a celebration of our priorities as a nation and as parents and teachers. This school, this investment in education, combined with strong teaching and parenting, is our children's path to success today and in the future.
The Gladbach bus.
New Testament Early Childhood Development Center was the 50th school delivered under the project.
50 schools have been constructed, not in 50 months, but in 2 years and 5 months to be exact. Over 2,000 students in the 3 to 6 age group can now learn in a more comfortable, healthy, child-friendly atmosphere with proper sanitation. Some 200 teachers and support staff are now better able to impart their knowledge in an environment conducive to learning.
Congratulations to Food for the Poor. Thank you so much.
Glad to hear that after the 50, you so love the exercise that you're willing to give us another 25.
Our organization remains committed to our children and to constructing suitable structures for their upliftment. And we have plans in place for an additional 25 as an expanded gift to Jamaica.
But in the meantime, the Food for the Poor Jamaica 50 project has done more than deliver shiny new buildings and furniture.
A component of this Jamaica 50 campaign is the training of 500 teachers over a period of 5 years.
Onwards from here, we are going to be assessing the teachers, the principal, the students, get an idea from them exactly what they need first of all, and also what we can give them here and beyond.
Food for the Poor Jamaica, answering government's call for public-private partnerships to achieve Jamaica's development goals, starting with the little ones.
Thank you for allowing us to support your community, and in turn, we ask you to support the work that Food for the Poor does.